This is the Lancome Biphase eye makeup remover, and I can't even tell you how many bottles I've used. I've used, oh God, probably 5, 6, maybe probably more. I don't even know. It's my absolute favorite. What I love about it too, it is a biphase, so you do really have to shake it, otherwise it will be separated. And it has properties that will lift the eye makeup while a watery face cleaner. What I've always found is you want to pour it on your cotton pad and then actually hold it on for 10 seconds. Every makeup artist that I've known, that's what they always suggest. Put your eye makeup on a cotton round and actually hold it on your eye, and they can gently wipe away your mascara. That if you're gonna do more, you're actually gonna be tugging on your lashes, and then you can actually risk removing your lashes. So as you can see, normally I would do it at the same time, but this time I'm gonna just do one at a time to demonstrate. As you can see, the makeup just wipes away really easily. And I've had no issues with it not removing makeup, and I find that even with my waterproof mascara that I use typically in the summer, that it takes it off no problem. Typically, I even have to, if I wipe my face with the cleanser, I have to go back in with this to actually remove that mascara.